This is the video guide for the lab section on TradingBotLab's. So let's move to my screen. Here you can see the lab section, and here in the left side you will see a list of all the boards available in our list. First of all, I will go to the Dark Nova. For example, I want to analyze this board. I will select the Dark Nova, and here in the right section I have two major sections: the backtest results and the live sync. In the backtest tab you will find the backtest results, the in-depth optimizations, and the available set files here. Okay, and in the live sync you will see the performance of Dark Nova in the live market environment. So first of all, in the backtest section you will see here below the single and combined switch. If you want to see the results and reports of these set files one by one, you will be able to select only one result at a time. If you switch to combined view, you will be able to select multiple results at the same time, and it will calculate. For example, if you use Dark Nova EA on $1,000 account with these three pairs, so what happened, how much the drawdown, how much the win rate, and all these metrics in the combined view, not just adding all these results. It is like chronological presentation of all these three results right now. Here below you can see the graph, and below here you can see the profit and loss month by month, how much it make month by month here. And I have done backtesting process from 2022 to 2025, and here below you can see all these graphs, profit and loss by hours, by weeks, and these are the combined view. Okay, and here the profit vs holding time, like how much trades are in profit, how much are in loss, and how much a trade takes time. And here on the top you can again select and other results to view a combined view. Okay, so if I uncheck, you can see the net profit and the win rate. These will be changed. I will uncheck it, I uncheck it, I will uncheck it. Here is 61, and in the single view if I select this one, 76%, here is the 68%, and combine both ones, so it's an average of 72%. Okay, and here on the top you can increase or decrease the size of text on this page, okay, based on your screen, based on your desire. And now let's move to the live sync section. Here you can see Dark Nova on Start Trader. You will see on which broker we are using this board and the last update. Right now the market is closed 13 hours ago, so that's why it is showing 13 hours and 14 minutes ago. In the live environment it is trading on the $1,000 account, and till now the net profit is 5.29. Here the drawdown, it's not showing correct value because it not make any sense. There is a current equity is 1000 and the drawdown is 4000. I will fix this bug in near future. And here is the win rate, the profit factor, all these other values are accurate. And here below you can see the graph, because it's first day on the live market, so that's why here is only one dot. So when there are more days you will see more data here in the chart. Here below it's May 2026, and till now it's $5, 0.5% growth. Here below you can see the active positions, how much trades are currently open, with how much profit and loss, the open price and the lot size, and all these things. Okay, and there below you can see the closed trade by this EA on this account. And here again in the left side you can see here 0.5%, 0.5%, 0.2%. So from the list you can simply see which EA made how much profit in percentage, and how much growth in the last 30 days you will see here soon. Okay, from here you can select any EA and anyone. And if you want to get the set file of Dark Nova or any other EA, for example you want to get the set files of Dark Venus, you can simply go to the backtest results, and from here you can add this one to cart, this one to cart, and this one to cart, and again this one. So now you have 4 settings added, and the total is $100 checkout. So if you use the coupon FIRST first 50 and then apply you will get a flat 50% discount because this coupon will be available for the first 50 users. And then click on secure checkout. From here, you can select the binary pay, USDT, or any network you can select. For now, I will select Binance Pay, and here the details where you need to pay. The name will be Trading Bot Lab. Simply, if you click on the QR code, you will scan with the Binance app to pay. And how much you need to pay? You need to pay exactly this amount, 49.92, because we will verify based on this value. So if you pay 49.93, we will not be able to verify as soon as possible. So then you need to contact us, chat support. Simply you need to go to help section and contact support, and then create a ticket. To our support team will talk with you to figure out this problem. So once you paid, I have transferred, yes, and then you need to write here the transaction ID for the confirmation. And after that, if you simply click on the order submission, you need to, for now I will simply just put a random number and complete order. So once the order is received, you can view my orders. It will open my purchases here. So from here, you can select my account profile, and my purchases. You can see all your purchases here. So let's move back to the lab page. I hope you understand all these things related to the lab section of the Trading Bot Lab. For now, that's it, and see you soon in the next video. Goodbye.